Do you work with athletes, or do you want to learn about the science of sports nutrition? Hi, my name is Rachel Scriven and I am presenting this Megabite course on Sports Nutrition Basics, How to Get Started. This free introductory course will give you some guidelines for implementing sports nutrition principles and practical hydration guidelines that you can start to use with your athletes today. This course is the tip of the iceberg in regards to sports nutrition, and I'm sure it will leave you wanting to learn more. Megabite has dozens of specialist sports nutrition topics, which you can watch and learn once you get the basics right. There are so many different individual and team sports, and with both recreational and elite sporting situations, the energy, protein, and fluid requirements vary a lot. It's really important as a practitioner or an athlete that you understand the specific nutrient amounts required in order to train, compete, and maximize athletic performance. This course is approved by the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics as 1.5 CPEU hours at level 2. As with all Megabite courses, you get an online multiple choice questionnaire to test your knowledge before and after, a self-study reflection form, and a certificate of completion to add to your professional learning portfolio. This is a great starter course for those of you working with athletes, or if you're an athlete and want to learn the basics. Then you can go on to learn more about other fantastic presenters and courses. So what are you waiting for? Click on the link and get started now.